applying the Revlon 24-Hour Color Stay Foundation all over the face and neck with my Sigma F80 flat kabuki brush. Next, I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Micro Brow Pencil and lightly filling in my brows. For the face colors in this look, I'm using the Carity Matte Eyeshadow Palette, and the first shade I'm using is Lumbia, which is a really bright pink. Using a fluffy angled brush, I'm basically contouring my cheekbones and temple area to begin to create almost a mask. Next, I'm going in with the shade Alexi, which is a really pretty lilac shade, and layering that slightly over the pink shade and blending it inwards. Then I'm going in with Ego and Phantom, which are deep purple and navy shades, and filling in the rest of the face area between the nose and the cheekbones. I'm also blending it between my brows and on the bridge of my nose. For the tip of my nose, I'm applying that really pretty lilac shade, and to add in a little more blue, I'm applying the shade Enchant on top of the navy and purple area of the face. Now for the eyes, I'm going in with a fluffy blending brush and applying the shade Ego to the crease and really blending it out. Then I'm going in with the shade Lilac and applying that all over the lid. To make the eyes really pop, I'm going in with that bright blue shade and blending it right above the creased area. The good part about this makeup look is you really don't have to be super precise, so this is a great look for beginners. To fill in the space below my brows, I'm applying the shade Feign, which is a really pretty teal, and blending it out to the side of my nose. Next, I'm going in with that deep purple and navy shade and applying that from my jawline down to my collarbone at an angle. I'm blending in all the pink, purple, and blue shades to give it that perfect cosmic look. To finish up the eyes, I'm creating a simple winged liner on both the eyes and applying a pair of false lashes for added drama. I'm using the Physicians Formula Eye Booster Eyeliner and the Kiss Natural Lashes in Sultry. Now I'm going in with a purple highlighter from Makeup Revolution and applying this to the bridge of my nose, the tops of my cheekbones, and along my brow bones. I'm also applying it all over my neck to give it a really nice glow. For the fun part of this look, I'm going in with a small detail brush and applying white cream face paint in small dots to create the constellations and the stars. I'm basically creating upside down V's and also applying a similar pattern to my neck area. To create the stars at various spots on my face. The trick with the stars is to create almost a T shape without taking the line all the way across. To my forehead, I chose to add a large star and created almost a shooting star effect, which ended up looking really pretty. Lastly, I'm going back in and adding in tiny tiny white dots all over the face to create more stars and just to really finish up the look. You can add as many as you want here, but I'm just adding them below the areas I've already did. The look, I'm applying 2 lipstick shades to create a really bright purple lip. I'm using the NYX High Voltage lipstick in the shade Playdate and the Hard Candy Fierce Effects lipstick in Sky's the Limit. I absolutely love how this galaxy look turned out, and it totally makes you feel like a pretty space princess, which I think we all deserve, right? If you enjoyed today's look, be sure and leave me a comment below and head to the blog for all the product details on this look. I hope you have a great week, and thanks for watching.